am Miranda with WTI, and these are the Clorox wipes. I absolutely love these. I keep them almost everywhere. So I have them in my car, I have them in my bathroom, I have them in my office. They're easy and convenient if you want to do a quick wipe or cleanup. I currently have a toddler who is potty trained, but we have accidents. So it is great for quick cleanups in the bathroom when we have an accident. I also enjoy how it has this moisture lid lock, so it's very thick and keeps the moisture in. You can use the towelettes, very easy. I also like to keep this for traveling, so I can wipe down all of the surfaces, or if we're out and about. We recently went to a carnival, and this was great for wiping down all of the surfaces. So highly recommend, and that is my point of view.